The idea is how to deal with a very long sentence. Suppose like you come across a lot of questions on sentence correction, and because obviously I don't know why, but it terrifies people a lot, right? Because they suddenly know, God, what's so complicated. But remember, even if the sentences are long, they're not going to ask you something very complicated. It is plain common sense. For example, a long sentence, to deal with a long sentence, the best strategy would be that we try to fold it, make it smaller. Now, how do we make it smaller? That's the biggest question. If you notice, I'm only talking about the correct part of the sentence. Means I'm talking about the non-underlined part of it. So look, there is first comma after Giuseppe Alessi, after the name Alessi, and there is another comma coming after Florentine cooking, right? So anything written by the author between two commas is always going to be extra information, and that is also part of the correct sentence, right? So we can easily hide this information so that we actually get to know what this sentence is all about. So I'm going to put my first bracket. Two commas are always going to be extra information, and two commas can always be replaced by two brackets. Two commas means extra information, and extra information can always be enclosed inside a bracket, two brackets. So I'm going to put my first bracket before A, that is a world-class chef. So putting my first bracket before A, and I'm going to put my another bracket after Florentine cooking, which means this entire part is going to be hidden. This way, I'm folding the sentence to make it easier for us. Now look at it. Then I'm going to read what is left outside of the bracket. So it says, Giuseppe Alessi is an accomplished scholar.